Paintless Dent Repair, PDR, is a specialized technique for removing dents and dings from vehicles without paint, fillers, or sanding, preserving the original factory finish. Technicians use methods like manipulating panels from behind with rods or glue pulling from the exterior. Key benefits over traditional repairs include cost effectiveness, lower material and labor costs, no need for paint matching, faster turnaround, often completed in hours rather than days, preserves OEM finish, maintains vehicle value with a flawless appearance, environmentally friendly, eliminates VOCs, fillers, and sanding waste. Suitable dents, PDR is most effective for minor dings, shallow dents with intact paint, and select complex curves on vehicles like the BMW Mini or Audi A1. It is unsuitable for cracked paint, sharp creases, overstretched metal, or corrosion, which require conventional bodywork. Essential tools. PDR uses rods, glue tabs, knockdown tools, ball techniques, and reflection lighting for precision. Step-by-step process. Damage assessment, depth, location, paint condition, access preparation, dent massaging from behind or glue pulling, fine adjustments for a seamless finish. While DIY kits exist and tutorials abound on YouTube and Instagram, professional technicians are recommended for optimal results. Post-repair maintenance, gentle washing, protective coatings, wax ceramic, regular inspections, and cautious parking help preserve the repair. PDR is a modern, efficient, and eco-friendly repair method that preserves vehicle quality and value. If you need famous dent repair done, call Kevin at 832-275-4374. That's 832-275-4374. Or send email at kevin@DentWerx Paintless Dent Repair.com.